Today we will see what type of queries can be declared inside the view. My name is Vahankar and I welcome you on our YouTube channel DecodeITES. DecodeITES provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. Views are layers to hide the queries and business logic. You can write a T-SQL script with desired option to achieve desired result and outputs. Today we will see how we can create a view with below mentioned different options like normal view on one table, view with aggregated functions, view with joins, view with subquery, view with another view, that means nested view, view with link server query, and view with multiple DB queries. Let's move to SQL Server instance for demo session. Welcome to the demo session. In this demo session, we will see different type of queries that can be used inside the view. First is normal view on one table. This is very normal. Just create view name, select star from table name, and table is DIM employee here. You just need to select it, and when you execute it, it will create the view, and view is created, and now this view is usable. You can use it. Second is normal view on one table with selected columns. That means if you don't want all columns to be there using the asterisk sign, then you can use the selected columns, employee name, birth, any of the column that you want from the table, and you can create the view over that. And you can run it. Views are there. Third is view with compute option. That means if you want to have any compute columns in the view which is not a part of the baseline table, then you can have it. For this, we have created a compute column over sick leave hours and vacation hours, and we make it a total leave hours for the employee. So when you run it, it will create the view. Employee 1 has 51 leave hours, employee 2 is 83 leave hours. So this is the way you can create or you can declare the compute function inside the query in the view. Next is join. In join, we will see how you can join the tables inside the view. For this, we are using two tables, DIM employee and DIM sales territory. We have joined them and we have fetched the columns along with two tables. So in this way, you can see that join is working in the view. By this way, you can join the multiple tables and create a logic or fetch the desired result, and you can club them in the view for your requirements. View with subquery. Multiple times there are situations that join is not possible and you need to mention the subquery, and subqueries are also feasible to have in view. So in this case, we have a subquery here. This is our subquery, and let's see if view is allowed to create. Yes, view is allowed, and we can run the query and it fetches the results. So in this way, if joins are not working for you, you can define the subqueries. View on another view. That means how you can create the nested view. For view, underlying scripts can have the views and the tables only. That means it doesn't matter, or view doesn't check whether it's going to be based on the tables or the views. For this, we have used the view underscore normal underscore all column that we have just described above. So we will create a view over this, and yes, it's working. View with multiple DB queries. That means we are creating this view over the cross table queries. For this, DIM employee is a part of AdventureWorks DW 2017, and DQ sales territory is a part of DWQ database. Let's see if it's allowed or not. Yeah, it's very much allowed. And when you run it, it'll fetch the data by two databases or from two databases for you. So this is a small demo to demonstrate that there are a list of options that you can mention inside the view, and that helps you to create a complicated queries or complex queries with complex business logics inside the view to achieve the desired outputs. Hope this helps you to understand that views are very much wide in supporting the type of queries we have in SQL Server. We have completed our today's session over what type of queries can be declared inside the view. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comment on videos or contact us.